In this video, I will show you how to pay monthly on Best Buy. So if you want to pay monthly on Best Buy and split your order over multiple months, then what you will need to do is get a credit card from Best Buy. So you can see right here under credit cards, they have multiple credit cards, and you can also get 5% back in rewards. You have flexible financing options, and if you scroll down, you can see which cards they offer. Now you can also see some examples. For example, on this TV right here, you can get 24 months financing, or on this Xbox, also 24 months, or on your phone, 24 months. And then if you actually want to get the card, then what you can do is just click apply now right there. Then now here, just confirm your information. And then here you can go through the Best Buy credit card application. So first your details, then continue, then you ask for your address. And then from there are only 2 more steps, and after you apply for it, you can then either get approved or declined, and if you get approved, you can then use the Best Buy credit cards to pay monthly on Best Buy. However, there will be fees, and the longer that you spread it out over, the higher your fees are, so keep that in mind. So now you know how to pay monthly on Best Buy. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.